Okay, I hope that you are ready for this. This is our maths quiz time. So what you need is your M5A and your M5B. Alright, what you're going to do first for me is you are going to cut them smaller and you are going to paste them in the back of your workbook after your phonics quiz. Okay, so do that for me quickly. No, not quickly. You can take your time. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to rush you. All right. Pause the video if you are not finished yet. If you are, then you are with me now and we are going to get started. I'm so sorry. I just want to get the grip right and sit right so that this stays as stable as possible for you. Okay, let's see. Good. This seems to be working. All right. We are at the first part of the quiz. The first question, number 1, 2 times 5. Write down the answer. These ones I actually don't even have to help you with because it's very plain sums, but I'm going to carry on with you. Number 2, 10 times 3. Number 3, 7 times 2. Number 4, 5 times 10. Number 5, 8 times 5. Number 6, 4 times 3. I feel like I just spoke with a lisp. Number 7, 9 times 2. Number 8, 5 times 5. Number 9, what times 3 will give me 21? What times 3 gives me 21? I want to help you guys. Okay, the only thing I'm going to say, I'm not going to show anything. The only thing I will say is grade 2, these are groups of 3. We want to know how many groups of 3 do we need to get to 21. So count in threes, use your fingers, and then where your fingers end, that's the number that you times with 3 to get to 21. Next one, number 10, 6 times what will give me 30? Number 11, what times 2 will give me 20? Think about your groups. Number 12, what times what will give me 80? What times what will give me 80? Number 13, what times 5 will give me 45? Number 14, what times 2 will give me 24? I'm so afraid someone is going to walk into my class. I do have my poster up, my sign up that says I'm recording, so they shouldn't be. I just don't want to be disturbed right now. Number 15, what times what will give me 55? All of these were in the timetable practices that we did this week. All right, then the next part, we are going to do multiplication word sums. Listen to what I'm saying. Listen carefully. We are going to do multiplication word sums. Okay? Okay. Word sums, Ms. Galondo even reminded you here, remember to include the 3 steps. You are going to get a mark for each step. Last week's, sorry, my arm is getting tired. Last week's number line and word sums, no wait, that wasn't last week. That was 3D shapes and the week before that. You guys did not follow instructions and therefore some of you got, sorry to say it, but you got very low marks, grade 2, which I'm not happy with because you can all do much better than what I saw last week and the week before that. Actually, not all of you, but anyways, no, I mean all of you can still do much better, just not all of you did badly. I'm obviously not awake yet. Okay. So, number 1, draw the problem. Draw the problem. Grade 2, you are going to get a mark for that. Do it. If you don't draw it, you don't get the mark. Number 2, write, that should be number sentence, not number sentence. So write the number sentence. There was one child that wrote the number sentence. I just quickly have to show you. Hold on. Let me just get, I'm going to use the back of this book. There was one child that if it was 7 plus 4, the child wrote it like this. Since when do we write our sums like this, grade 2? 7 plus 4 equals whatever. This is my number sentence. Okay? Something, operation, something. 12 minus 5. Not 12, 5 and a minus. No, like this. This is the way we've been doing it since the beginning of the year, and that is the way that I want it done now. Okay, so let me just get my angle right again. And then number 3, answer the question asked with a sentence. Oh, you have to answer with a sentence, okay? So not just write down 3, answer, Sally has 3 snails left. Do you understand what I mean? That's a very silly answer, but that's what I mean. Okay. So I will help you with the first one's sentence, but the rest you do by yourself. Number 16, because we're carrying on from here. There are 10 tricycles in the garden. Tricycles. Tricycles. A tricycle does not have 4 wheels, just saying. Tri means 3. So there are 10 tricycles in the garden. Draw your 10 tricycles. The answer is going to be how many wheels are there altogether. So remember to include the wheels in your picture. That's the point. And a tricycle has 3 wheels each. There are 10 tricycles in the garden. So draw 10 tricycles. And please, I don't mean to be nitpicky, to be picky or to be funny or anything. But I don't want artworks here. If you want to make a circle with 3 wheels, with 3 little circles attached to it, that's fine. I can see that you meant, okay, this was one of them with 3 wheels. This was one of them with 3 wheels. You don't have to go draw the perfect picture, okay? Step 2. How many wheels are there altogether? I want to see your number sentence. And these are multiplication word sums. Don't give me a plus. Don't give me a minus. I'm not going to mark it correctly. Multiplication word sums. There are 10 tricycles in the garden. How many wheels are there altogether? 10 tricycles with 3 wheels each. Write the number sentence. And then step 3, you are going to answer the question with a sentence. I'm going to give you the sentence but not the answer. So you are going to write, 10 tricycles have wheels. That will be your answer. I want the full sentence. Remember your capital letters and your full stops. I'm not going to mark that, but you must always keep that in mind. A sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. So, 10 tricycles have wheels. Good. Next page. 5b. Number 17. There are 9 children at my birthday party. Mother gave each child 5 sweets. How many sweets did mother give altogether? So draw the children and draw the sweets. There are 9 children at my birthday party. Mother gives each child 5 sweets. Draw that. Sorry, I'm trying to drink my coffee, but it's too hot still. Okay, if you're not finished drawing, pause the video. I'm moving on. Step 2, write your number sentence. 9 children with 5 sweets each. I want to see the number sentence. Don't write the answer here. I only want the number sentence, not the answer yet. Just show me how you are going to calculate it. That's what I want to see. And then number 3, write the sentence. Answer the question with a sentence, not just one number. I want to see a sentence. Good. Then number 18, your last question for the maths quiz. Draw a circle around the smallest number and write the name of the number on the right. Now, when I say write the name of the number, that does not mean you just copy the number and write it on the line. I want the letters. I want you to see you write the word. We did this beginning of the year. You should know how to write this number. Okay. If you're not finished, rewind, go back to the part where you are still at, or pause the video or whatever. I know that you guys manage me at home, which is great for me. I'm finished with the quiz though, so I'm moving on to the science.